Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another new video tutorial. Today we create a animation which using only HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If we click default, here is gives SVG, and click code SVG, and then flower SVG, next square SVG, and then access and OS SVG, then music SVG, and finally another SVG. If we click default, then again default SVG gives. Similarly, all button gives different SVGs. These projects are created by HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Here is our source code, index.html, style.css CSS file, and finally JavaScript. Here is lots of JavaScript file. Here is end of JavaScript, almost 200 line of JavaScript. We will provide the all source code in video description. Please press the subscribe and bell icon to stay with us. If you want to run this project on live server, you may click go live to run live server. We are using Visual Studio Code as a code editor. Thank you. Stay with us. Let's start our coding.